Encountering the could not activate cellular data network error on Mint Mobile, now part of T-Mobile, means your device can't connect to mobile data. This often stems from incorrect APN settings, SIM card issues, or temporary network glitches. Don't worry, most of the time this is resolvable yourself. This is most common on Android devices during peak hours. Mint Mobile has been integrated into T-Mobile's network in 2023 and has been upgrading since. Mint's app, v5.2.1 or later, can automatically fix this. If the app doesn't work, you can start by checking if you have service with Mint Mobile and T-Mobile in your area. Next, we will troubleshoot. First, ensure your APN settings are correct. For Mint Mobile, the APN should be wholesale with MMSC as h-wholesale.mmsmvino.com/webnsil. Manually input these in your phone's network settings, usually under mobile networks and access point names. Next, power off and on the device to refresh the network connection. If the issue persists, reseat your SIM card or contact Mint Mobile support to have them refresh your SIM profile. A quick fix is toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the network connection. Remember to check for any OS updates or VPN issues that might be interfering with network connectivity. According to Mint, about 85% of users resolve the error using these steps.